this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Soundcore P30i earbuds to your Google phone, and this is very easy to do. So I have my Google Pixel. I'm going to swipe down from the top right, go to Settings, go to Connected Devices Bluetooth, then go to Pair a New Device, and it's going to start searching for devices connected. I'm just going to go to my case now, open this up. So you can see my Soundcore headset or earbuds. Just simply remove them. And then when you remove them, this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode if they're not connected to a previous device. Here it is, Soundcore P30i. Let's tap it, go to pair, and now it's connected to my phone very easily. We can go to the little settings option right here, and we can forget it in the future if we want to bring this to a new device. Just go to forget, and then you should be good to go. And boom. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.